In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your public investing app. If you have any questions throughout this video, please leave them down in the comments below and I will answer every single one of them for you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your public investing app. Now, one thing to have on hand is either know your login for your bank account, or you might need a check to link your bank account that way. We'll see what happens with the process. I know sometimes it's easier to just fill out the bank info through your check. That way you can link your account, but let's see how this works. So the very bottom right, you see account, or at the very bottom, you see add a payment method, because they're going to know if you've deposited money or not. But for now, I'm going to hit the account down there at the bottom right, and we see add funds. So we'll go to add funds. Now this is where you can choose to link a bank account. So we'll go ahead and hit link, or you can connect your bank with micro deposits. In this case, we're just going to hit bank link. And at the very bottom right, you're going to see link bank. Now, this is where you could either you might be able to type in your login information for your specific bank to start adding funds to your public investing app account. So we'll hit continue. Now, this is where you can search for whatever bank you currently have. For me, I have PNC. And do I see it on this list? I don't see it on this list. So I'm going to go ahead and try to type it in up here, PNC. Okay, there it is. So PNC is right there. I'm going to tap on that. If you were getting some value from this video, please do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. And this is where I can type in my login info, so that way I can start depositing money into my public investing app account. It is secure, so you shouldn't have to worry about security. They are using Plaid. If you see up there at the very top center, you'll see it's Plaid, so that's how you're logging in to your account. They're very safe and secure, so I wouldn't be too concerned right now with connecting your bank account, because that's the only way that you're going to be able to get money deposited into your public investing app account so you can start investing money. So I'm going to type in my bank credentials. Now they're going to say, hey, we want to text you based on the number that you have linked to your bank account. So I'm going to tap text. I'm going to let them text that number to me so I can verify that I am who I am. Okay, so I should have gotten a text with a particular code. So I'm going to go to my texts right now to find that code and then paste that number in right here. And now I get to choose where I want the money to come out of. In this case, I'm just going to choose my checking account. Not everybody has multiple accounts linked. Now it does look like I need to enter a routing number for my account. So luckily I have a check right here to type in my routing number. So that's why I said you might need to have a check on hand for the account that you want money to get withdrawn from to deposit into your public investing app account. Sorry, I can't talk. So yeah, make sure that you have one of these on hand just in case, because this might not happen for your bank if you don't have PNC. But if you have PNC, then it's for sure going to ask you for a routing number. Now it wants my account number as well. So luckily I have a check here, so I'm going to type that in right now. And now I'm going to choose how much I want to deposit. So how much do you want to transfer to public? In this case, I'm going to transfer $100. So it's got that listed right there. But if you wanted to type in a specific amount, a different amount, you've got that button down there at the bottom. So in this case, I'm going to go 100, continue. And there we go, continue again. It's going to tell you where the money is coming from with your bank account info. That way you can verify, hey, I do want it to come from this account. And the deposit is initiated. So it's going to give you an idea of how quickly the funds will be in your account. So it's initiated, in transit 3/7, and it should be settled and in my account by 3/10. Just make sure that you do have that $100 in your bank account. That way it doesn't overdraft your account and your bank, which in turn will cause your bank to probably charge you an overdraft fee, which nobody actually wants to pay. By the way, if you do ever have an overdraft fee, just call your bank up and ask them to get rid of it. They usually will, as long as you have the money in the account and it's not still at a negative balance. They'll usually take that fee off for you. Just a little fun fact in case you weren't aware. Okay, so it looks like I actually do have money in my public investing app account, so I can start trading right now. I don't have to wait for that money to settle. So if you want to, you can start trading. If you want to know how to start trading stocks through the public investing app, I will have a video linked up at the end of this video to show you exactly how to do that. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button before you go, and also check out the description of this video to get more free stocks through different investing apps. Make sure to check out these other how-to investing app videos to your left next. I'll also have a video up there on how to start investing using the public investing app. I'll see you in the next one, friends. Done.